Super amazing. Hi guys!
Hi!
We're on our way to Alesund. We're gonna visit the Aksla Viewpoint. It's my first time to be there. That's why I'm excited. He's been there for a couple of times already.
Yeah.
So you can see amazing videos of Alesund in his YouTube channel. Fjords. Ålesund is a beautiful coastal city in Norway, known for its stunning scenery and unique architecture. The Aksla Viewpoint in Ålesund is a popular spot that offers a spectacular panoramic view of the city and its surrounding fjords and islands.
Want coffee?
Maybe later. We drove from Molde to Ålesund for approximately 1.5 hours.
We are in the ferry.
Yeah. Oh, well. We took a ferry ride from Molde to Vestnes for around 45 minutes. Then we drove again going to Aksla Viewpoint. So we're gonna do a little hiking. So I think it takes around 400 steps.
418 steps to the viewpoint.
Yeah. So it's a good exercise. But for me, maybe it's more than 400 because I got shorter steps.
500.
Right? To reach the viewpoint, you can either hike up the 418 steps, known as the 418 steps to heaven, or take a short drive up the mountain. We decided to hike up the 418 steps. Now we're going up to the viewpoint.
There.
Once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with a breathtaking view that showcases the beauty of Ålesund and its picturesque coastal setting. It's high! You told me it's a simple hike again!
It is simple.
For you.
Here.
We saw beautiful blooming flowers at the foot of the mountain while on our way to start with the 418 steps. We had to walk a few more steps to start with the count of the 418 steps.
Hi.
So the 400 steps starts on top, babe? Not yet? Okay.
From now.
From now! Okay, I'm tired already. Hi!
From now.
The 400 steps starts from here. So that's the ground. There are numbers between staircases and there are benches and platforms where you can relax and take in the view at your own pace. From the Aksla Viewpoint, you can see the city's unique Art Nouveau architecture, the shimmering waters of the Norwegian Sea, and the majestic peaks of the surrounding mountains. Hiking up the 418 steps is a good exercise, but I would advise to take your time while climbing up because I was catching my breath here.
100.
Oh my gosh, 300 more. I'm tired already. Though I would say this is just simple for those who do hiking and exercise regularly, which I haven't been doing lately. I was catching my breath while the tour was very chill. And we finally reached the viewpoint after 418 steps. The view is really amazing. There is also a cafe at the Aksla Viewpoint where you can grab a drink or a snack while enjoying the view. It's a perfect spot to unwind, soak in the atmosphere, and appreciate the natural and architectural beauty of Ålesund. The cafe is the Fjords Cafe, which serves a variety of food and drinks, including sandwiches, cakes, pastries, coffee, tea, and other refreshments. Yeah, super amazing. So now we're going down. We recommend the Aksla Viewpoint to anyone visiting Ålesund. It's a place that showcases the unique beauty of this coastal city and offers an opportunity to appreciate the natural wonders of Norway. Whether you're a nature lover, a photography enthusiast, or simply seeking a moment of tranquility amid stunning landscapes, the Aksla Viewpoint is a must-visit destination. So we're resting for a while and then we continue to go down.
Yeah.